Are you looking to make your crush or partner blush with just a few words? Flirting over text can be a fun and exciting way to deepen your connection and bring a smile to his face. Here are some simple yet effective ways to make him blush over text. Number 1. Compliment him. Everyone loves a good compliment, and men are no exception. Compliment his looks, his sense of humor, or something unique about him. For example, "I can't stop thinking about your smile," or "You always know how to make me laugh." Number 2. Send a cute selfie. Sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words. Send him a cute selfie with a sweet message like, "Thinking of you," or "Wish you were here to share this moment with me." Your picture and the thought behind it will make him smile. Number 3. Flirt with emojis. Emojis can add a playful tone to your messages. Use heart eyes, blushing faces, or even the classic wink to convey your feelings. For instance, "Can't wait to see you," or "You always know how to brighten my day." Number 4. Share a sweet memory. Remind him of a special moment you shared together. It could be a fun date, a great conversation, or a small but meaningful gesture. For example, "Remember our first date? I still get butterflies thinking about it." Number 5. Playful teasing. A little teasing can be very flirtatious if done right. Keep it light and fun, like, "You look so serious in that meeting today, I almost didn't recognize you." Or, "Are you trying to outshine me with your good looks today?" Number 6. Ask him about his day. Show genuine interest in his life. Ask him how his day went and be attentive to his responses. A simple, "How was your day, handsome?" can go a long way in making him feel appreciated and valued. Number 7. Send good night and good morning texts. Being the first and last thing he thinks about can make a huge impact. Send a sweet good night text like, "Good night, dream of me," or a cheerful good morning text like, "Morning, can't wait to hear about your dreams." Number 8. Use inside jokes. Inside jokes are a great way to create a sense of intimacy. If you have any shared jokes or funny memories, bring them up. For example, "Remember that time we got lost on our way to the restaurant? Best adventure ever." Number 9. Express your feelings. Sometimes being straightforward is the most effective. Let him know how much he means to you with messages like, "I love how you always know how to make me smile," or "I feel so lucky to have you in my life." In conclusion, making him blush over text is all about being genuine, playful, and showing your appreciation. Use these tips to bring a smile to his face and deepen your connection. Happy texting!